Karibu, kuja, nataka nikupe nafasi uongee kutoka hapa. Nataka ongee na ataleta bwana yake baadaye ndio atuongeleshe. This is again. Wacha kuja hapa, wewe kuja hapa. Juzi niliona president akipeana podium, wewe kuja na wewe ongea hapa. Hakuna shida. Shida ongelesha.
Thank you so much. Your Excellency, Governor Simba Arati, Speaker of the Kisii County Government, Deputy Governor and the Oral Protocol observed. Good afternoon. Okay, let me take this opportunity to thank you for your support and welcoming me home in a special way. 2, thank you, Governor, for your hosting AK weekend meeting at Kisii Stadium, where my people came to support and they cheer me, that boosted and support me to achieve the medal at Hungary, Budapest, to be the world champion. 3, thank you also for supporting sports from heart and continue with the same spirit of supporting sports, especially athletics and the football, Shabana FC. I wish to thank my family, starting with my husband, my sister Sarah, my brother Nicholas, and much thanks to my coach Alex Sang for the commitment and the guidance to where I am. It's a big achievement to me. I wish to pass my heart rate thanks to my mentor, Erin Obiri. I think mnamjua. She's my mentor. I also thank my principal, Mr. Haron Onjonga, who played a major role in my athletics career since I joined in high school from Form 1 to Form 4, na akanipeana kwa coach. Special thanks also goes to the people of Kisii County for cheering and supporting me before and during and after my competition. I received the congratulations message, calls from Kisii County and my fans. I also say thank you so much. Kisii Torebore. Thank you so much.